Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website with the Astra theme. First, you'll need to select a web hosting provider and register a unique domain name for your site. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making setup straightforward. Once WordPress is installed, log into your administrative dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your website. Astra is a popular, free WordPress theme known for its speed and flexibility, making it an excellent foundation for any project. Now let's get Astra installed. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and then Themes. Click the Add New button and use the search bar to find Astra. Once you locate it, click Install and then Activate. Astra is now the active theme on your website. For an even faster start, consider installing the Starter Templates plugin, which provides hundreds of professionally designed, ready-to-use website templates. With Astra active, you can begin customizing. If you installed the Starter Templates plugin, you can import a full demo site with one click, saving you hours of design work. Then, head to Appearance and Customize to adjust global settings such as your site's logo, colors, and fonts. You can also modify header and footer layouts. For more detailed page design, integrate a page builder like Elementor, or use the native Gutenberg block editor to craft unique content sections. The next step is to populate your site with engaging content. Create new pages and posts, adding your text, images, and videos. Remember to optimize your content for search engines by using clear, keyword-rich titles under 60 characters. Before launching, thoroughly test your website on different devices and browsers to ensure a flawless user experience. Finally, run through a pre-launch checklist, confirming backups, security measures, and that all forms are working correctly. Then, you're ready to share your site with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.